Well, let's shift focus to earnings now, and Titan numbers are out and they not look so good on the back of the profit as well as the margin figure. If we look at the profit, we were expecting a profit above 900 crores. The company reported a profit of just 777 crores. So a disappointment coming in on that particular front, while the revenue is above the ET now estimates. So let's get in more details on how the Titan numbers are looking and why there was such a big disappointment. Let's try to find out an answer to that, and for that we have been joined by Vinny Motiwala. Vinny, take us away through the highlights of Titan earnings.
So, the numbers are coming from the company. Yes, revenue is we're expecting, but there's a sales rate of around 938 crores. That factors that is total revenue as well as.
Okay, Winnie, we'll try to get you on a proper line, but before that, just having a look at the numbers, then the profit has actually declined 2% on a YY basis, though the street was working with a profit figure of over 900 crores. And if we look at the margins as well, the expectation was 12.5%. The company clocked in a margin of 9.9%, and EBITDA is also down 5%. But like on the revenue figure, I was mentioning that the revenue figure has come in a little above to the ET Now's estimate. We were working with a number close to 10,500 crores, and the company has clocked in a sales of 11,145 crores. But on to the management commentary, they do sound optimistic that going forward they will be pursuing more market shares, as well as they're optimistic about the performance in the rest of the years. But a big disappointment coming in Q1. So let's try and have the analyst take on that, and we are being joined by Naveen Kulkarni, Chief Investment Officer at Axis Securities. Hi, very good evening, Naveen. Your first take onto the Titan numbers. Looks a disappointing set, especially onto the margin and the profit figure. What could have led to that?
Yeah, we'll have to figure out what exactly has happened to that. It could be the product mix, because revenue is definitely ahead of what we were expecting. So revenue is at least 4 to 5% ahead of what we were expecting, but margin is significantly lower than what we were expecting. So from that perspective, it is more likely the product mix. It seems to be the case, and also it could be bullion sales also, which could have been a low margin product, which would have pushed the revenues and margins lower on that call. Of course, we'll have to look at the segmental revenues. That will also give us a better picture.
Naveen, we'll look out for more details, but on the first take, looks a disappointing set, especially onto the EBITDA, profit, as well as the margin figure, though the revenue has come in line. So the key to watch out will be the product mix, and more details we'll be looking at from the management commentary. But with this, viewers, it's time to wrap this edition of News Now. It's a goodbye from me and the entire team who put this show together. Thank you so much for watching.